The lawyers for an El Paso murder suspect who faces the death penalty want the case dismissed, and the trial could end up being delayed once again. 20-year-old Ivan Gabaldon is accused of stabbing and killing Juan Garcia Flores in February. Court documents ABC7 obtained state it happened after both had a paid sexual encounter. This trial was originally supposed to start on November 5th, but as of right now, the earliest this could begin will be January 14th. The case could also be dismissed as defense attorneys accuse the state of retaliating against their client. ABC7's Dylan McKim joins us live from the county courthouse. He's been following the hearing that happened today. Dylan, why is the defense team making this motion to dismiss the case?
Yeah, Stephanie, Ivan Gabaldon was originally charged with murder, but within the last 2 weeks, the state went back to a grand jury that re-indicted him with a capital murder charge, and now he faces the death penalty. His defense team says this was a delayed tactic, upgrading those charges just weeks before the trial was set to begin, but the prosecution sticks by their decision.
In the past week, a lot has changed in the Ivan Gabaldon case. He now faces the death penalty, and his lawyers filed a motion to dismiss the case altogether, saying the state was using the death penalty as a way to delay the trial. The defense team presented their case this morning in a virtual hearing. The prosecution has already cycled in multiple lawyers to head the case throughout the year. During a hearing in November, the current prosecutor, Curtis Cox, said his team was not ready for the trial set for December 2nd. Defense attorney Denise Butterworth said in Monday's hearing that, quote, "The rotation of lawyers or the turnover of lawyers in this administration is not the fault of Mr. Gabaldon, who sits there and continues to be waiting for his jury trial." Just weeks before the start of the trial, the prosecution went to a grand jury that re-indicted Gabaldon with capital murder. Judge Elisa Perez asked the prosecution what happened that made them seek a change in the charge. She was confused since no new evidence had come to light that the other prosecutors had already had. Cox responded saying, quote, "What changed was my involvement in this case, Your Honor. I can't vouch for why the people who handled this before me did not see in this case the things that were glaringly obvious to me." The prosecution accuses Gabaldon of premeditating the murder of 63-year-old Juan Flores. The defense is claiming it was self-defense and that this should not be a capital murder charge. In the hearing, Butterworth pointed out the fact that a day before the state went back to the grand jury for a re-indictment, prosecutors had motioned the court to release Gabaldon from jail on a bond. Judge Perez asked prosecutors why they would let him out of jail if they thought he was so dangerous for the death penalty. Cox explained his reasoning saying, quote, "He can conform his behavior while he is out on bond and while he is under the supervision of the PR bond system." Judge Perez responded, quote, "Mr. Cox, that's very troubling."
And Judge Perez did say at the very end of this virtual hearing that the defense did a good job of presenting their case for a dismissal. She is giving the prosecution until Friday to present their case law that shows that supports not dismissing this case. She will make her decision on December 13th. Reporting live outside the El Paso County Courthouse, Dylan McKim, ABC7.